Hey friends, if the option to set time zone automatically is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now here's one thing. If you're using a company managed or an organization managed computer, then you might not be able to make these changes because usually companies prevent you from doing that. But if it is your home computer, then here's what you can do. Search for control panel in the Windows search bar and open control panel. Now change the category to large icons or small icons for this matter. Okay, now we will find this option for date and time and click on this. So go to this option internet time and click on change settings. You can change the time server to the other one. Click on OK and then apply and then on OK. This should solve your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.